नया साल, नया जोश, नई उमंग और एक और नई वजह BSS रिदम पॉडकास्ट देखने की। मेरा नाम है आर्यन अंग सिद्धार्थ जैन और टुडे on this very first day of the new year I have a special guest, the one and only Honorable Principal Dr. Father John Teacher. Welcome Father to BSS Rhythm Podcast.
Thank you.
Father, मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल इस नए दिन, नए साल के इस नए दिन पे ये है, Do you believe in New Year resolutions or else you believe in जब जागो तब सवेरा?
What I feel is, resolutions, of course it remains, but much more we'll have to take life, as it comes. On a day-to-day basis. If I can be happy today, at this point of time, at this moment, that is success. And if once I am happy, contented, I think I can make the world happy by making my neighbor, people whom I meet.
Right.
So, face as it comes and take with a lot of courage and challenge.
Absolutely. World is a family. And Father, since if we are talking about resolutions, if we are talking about कि हम कुछ नए फैसले लें अपनी ज़िंदगी के लिए, what do you think are the 5 resolutions or 5 qualities, major qualities that students must work on in this new year? Since we also know you now as the founder of BSS IAS, Institute of Advanced Studies, which happens to be a new venture, new branch of the
Right.
Bhopal School of Social Sciences for MBA studies. So what would you suggest to the students throughout, anyone who's listening to you, as the 5 major qualities that they must cultivate, must develop in the new year of 2022?
Well, if not 5, I can mention a few.
Sure.
That is, we must have strong determination. And for which I believe we will have to learn to dream.
Learn to dream.
Me after 5 years, me after 3 years, me after 2 years. Suppose I am a second year student. What am I going to be doing after 2 years? And if I can, imagine, or if I can really preview my future, the determination is sure. And once we have strong determination, we work very hard. And once we work hard, in that there is a lot of honesty, there's a lot of sincerity. See, one who is self-convinced can or will do everything with a lot of personal conviction, and that brings in honesty, sincerity, dedication and all that. So if you are self-convinced, with all these qualities, you work and then you achieve it. So my suggestion or my advice to my dear students is that they must first of all preview their future. झलक
Yes.
कि क्या बनना है आज से 2 साल 3 साल बाद, and then with a strong determination we can make up life. And today what you become is secondary. What you have is primary. Primarily we must know what I am good at. What is that deep-rooted quality within me that can make my life, my future bright?
Yes.
Most of us have very wrong impressions about oneself because of maybe the family and social environments.
Yes.
But ultimately, one may be much different from what others expect to be.
Right.
So if we are personally convinced of what is deep-rooted within me, I tell you, nobody can stop us. Success is ours.
Absolutely. And Father, you have been a great academician, and at the same time you have had a creative mind as well as a composer, and as a good number of laurels that you bring to the table with your creative aspects. What do you think the students or the young minds, how can they manage the studies and the co-curricular activities together?
We must bite, what we can chew.
Right.
So each one should know one's, merits and demerits. So if I can to focus on something, then I may have to leave up other things also. So probably all need not be multitasking, all are not. But if we can, and if we are, why not? There's nothing wrong in that. If I can cope up with my studies, if I can cope up with my RJing, if I can cope up with part-time job, if I can work out with some internship, wonderful. But know thyself. As great philosophers used to say, the key point for life success, the mantra is know thyself.
Absolutely. We're talking about the new venture of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences Family Institute of Advanced Studies. What was the vision behind IAS?
Well, we have been, dreaming for a professional college, and that was never possible in this present campus, old campus. So we were waiting for a plot of land elsewhere, and that too couldn't come through. Then finally we thought and planned for a small plot of land in the heart of the city, Arera Colony.
Yes.
And there we have succeeded in putting up a world-class structure, and I would say also world-class faculty. And we hope things will take up a good shape in the coming years.
Hopefully, Father. And since Father, वहाँ पे already the classes, the courses have begun, the students have enrolled themselves. आप देख चुके हैं जो lot है students का जो batch है and the faculty है. You have been there, you have seen them exercise their functions properly. What do you make out of this structure now? What do you make out of the students? What do you have to say to the students out there?
Well, already खबर तो फैल चुकी है कि faculty अच्छी है. And there is nothing better than verbal advertisement. So I hope over coming couple of years, we will perform not only national but international, and we'll have a good image among the professional institutes.
Hopefully, the team is as good as the leader, and we're really lucky to have a brilliant leader, a brilliant inspiration, I should say. Father, my last question to you would be, what would be your one mantra for this year 2022 that you would be leading the world by and would be leading all others by? That one thing, one quote, one message for this year.
The best mantra would be to understand oneself and go beyond that. Try to go beyond that. Then I think we can cross many barriers and cross many challenges without problem, consciously.
Indeed, understanding yourself worthy of being able to understand 1,000 others. Thank you so much, Father Principal, for your time. It was, it is always a privilege for us to have you in the BSS Rhythm Studio.
I too enjoy coming to BSS Rhythm because I see a lot of initiative and creativity, and that which I think make life more worth living. Novelty, creativity, and these are things that can incubate only here, that too in BSS Rhythm.
That is totally humble of you, Father, because the rhythm is your brainchild, and we would forever be thankful to you for your efforts and for your dedication. Thank you so much, Father. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, viewers, for being there. This was all from BSS Rhythm Podcast. Stay tuned.